I'm Ruslan, and I will show you how to replace brake pads. The rubber on the brake pads gets thinner when you use them. When the grooves on the pads disappear, you must fit new pads. If you continue using old brake pads, the brakes do not work and you damage the wheels. First, open the brake. Next, remove the nut on the back of each pad. And then remove the pads. Fit new pads, keeping the spacers in the same order. Push the pad against the wheel rim as you tighten the nut. Close the brake. You may need to loosen the cable to do this. Finally, check is the brake rubbing on the wheel. Is the brake working well?